And welcome back, everybody, to the News 4 Forum. With the 4th of July right around the corner, it can be easy to focus on tasty barbecue and spending some good time in the sun, but it is also important to take care of your heart and your body. Joining me now to talk a little bit more about this, is Dr. Sridevi Challapalli, a cardiologist from St. Mary's here in Reno. Doctor, thanks so much for joining us, and I apologize. Did I pronounce your name close?
Yes, you did a great job. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us for the forum here. Question, are heart attacks more prevalent during holiday periods like the 4th of July?
I don't necessarily think they're more prevalent. I think that patients who are at risk and have risk factors with the added stresses and the increased activities and the heat, they definitely may contribute to that.
Okay, we've been hearing a laundry list of folks wanting to eat the right foods to keep their hearts healthy. What foods would you recommend? What foods are the best for having a healthy heart?
For a healthy heart, typically it's going to be low sodium. Watch the potato chips, which you eat on 4th of July, and the hot dogs and the hamburgers. That's red meat, so that's not typically as good for the heart. But you could substitute with turkey burgers for a healthier version for the 4th of July. Just be careful, though. I think the biggest take-home is watch the sodium.
Watch the sodium. All right, fair enough, fair enough. Let me ask you this question. A lot of people underestimate, I think, the importance of stress, or I shouldn't say the importance, but the dangers of stress on your life and stress on your heart. What should we do to limit the stress on your heart this weekend?
Well, I think because particularly in Reno right now, it's very hot. Everyone should, if they don't necessarily need to be outside and they have cardiac or respiratory conditions, they should try to stay in. And I think the other issue is they should watch their fluid intake, make sure they stay hydrated, and again, lower sodium diets will help with that as well.
All righty, and okay, if I can ask you this, what is the #1 recommended tip for this holiday weekend to stay heart healthy?
I think it's just take your medicines if you're on any, stay hydrated, and use sunscreen, and if you can avoid the hot summer afternoons, do so.
All right, Dr. Challapalli, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All righty, let's talk.